welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get 100 Moonlight Crystals in Heartopia. In order to get that, you're going to go to your watch, you're going to go to settings, and then you're going to go to redeem code. The code for it is 180, days joy. Can I type? Thank you. Redeem, got it, and then you're just going to check your mailbox and you'll have, wait, where is it? Hold on. Don't know why it's not working. Let me try that again. Okay, I've claimed it already. Okay, it took like a while to be claimed. Claim it, and that's it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!